Hello there, this video is going to be showcasing a free and powerful video editor that you can easily use from your browser. The website is called pixlr.com. After entering that site, click Pixlr and it will bring you to this page. To edit an image, simply click on Open Image and select the image you want to edit. And then the editor will load. There are lots of tools there that you can use. One of them that I find to be really useful is the cutout tool. It has AI cutout which makes background removal so much easier. You can adjust the AI tolerance using this slider. More tolerance means more pixels will be removed. So yeah, this is a very neat tool. The next tool is the liquify tool. With this, you can make those big brain memes with your own image. There are multiple modes here: push, enlarge, shrink, swirl right, and swirl left. The size slider adjusts the size of the cursor, the strength slider adjusts, well, the strength, the density is basically the smoothness. I'm going to try to make a bonk meme here. To add an image, click on the Add Image button and select the file. To render your image, just click on the Save button below. Now I'm going to make another image with this. Now the last tool I'm going to be showcasing in this video, is the Draw tool. With this tool, you can draw on top of your image. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you will find it somewhat useful. Thank you for watching. And bye.